Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching the new Stormi eyeshadow palette by Kylie Cosmetics. This is such a pretty palette, and since I picked up a few things from the collection, I thought I would swatch it for you guys. So, if you want to see swatches and my overall thoughts, just keep watching. So now that you've seen swatches of this beautiful now that you guys have seen swatches of this beautiful palette, let's talk about it. First off, let me zoom out. I want to say this palette is amazing swatch-wise. All the mattes were super buttery and pigmented, and they seem like they'll blend really nicely into the skin. And the metallic shades were really good. This pinks like that are always very not the best formula, but this one is super unique, honestly, and actually pretty pigmented. That shade too is also really nice. Of course, mine came broken, so I repressed it. Unfortunately, lost a lot of product because of it breaking, but oh well, hopefully they'll like send me a new shade or something. My favorite shades are the pink and this purple. Unfortunately, the purple does have like hard pan, so it's not nearly as pigmented as the other shimmers, but I think it'll still work good. Hopefully once I get through the top layer it won't have hard pan, because that is honestly my favorite shadow and basically the reason why I bought this palette. Honestly, there is staining, so just be aware that that really pink shade does stain. And I think that this is going to be one of my favorite palettes for the spring. Like, the packaging's beautiful, but look at these shades. This is without flash. I mean, they're just so pretty, and I do think I could do a lot of good looks with this. And you guys know I love purple, so those two purple tones are really, really getting me. Plus, like, I love that, like, magenta-y color. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, that pink on the inner corner with the purple. Yes, honey. So there are a few different formulas. This glittery shade is, like, one of their newer formulas. They had it in the holiday palette as well. I didn't personally like it too much, and I still don't. Like, it is semi-pigmented, but it's mainly just, like, glittery. So if you don't like that, then stay away, but I don't mind glitter. It's not like a glitter either, so I don't know what it would be classified as, but this palette is honestly stunning. I do think that Kylie Cosmetics is hit or miss when it comes to formulas. Recently, though, their eyeshadow palettes have been very, very good. And I do think that I will get lots of use out of it. And I think for the price, this is just a mini palette. So, like, if I compare it to my hand, that's the size. It's not bad at all or anything. And here, I'll compare it to a normal high gloss. So, if I could. So, that's a normal high gloss compared to the size of the palette. Just so impressed with how this swatched, and obviously swatches do not dictate how I cannot speak today. Swatches do not dictate how they will apply on the eye, but typically I have found that sometimes the better they swatch, then they'll be good on the eyes. But I just like doing swatches because I know a lot of people like seeing swatches, and I like swatching for Instagram anyways. So I was so excited about this when I got it in the mail. I like jumped up out of bed and ran to the door. I'm so excited. So I will definitely do a look with this and let you guys know in the comments what I think about this palette. Also, make sure you go check out the swatches I did of the mini gloss set as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
What are you doing? You leave her alone. She's having fun. Hey, baby boy. Oh no, don't kick her in the face. That's so mean. You get him. Bite him. Yeah, bite him. You get him. You gave him life. Beat him up.
What are you doing? You're making a mess. Hi. Hi.